Good day guys, and welcome back to Aditech FX. In today's video, I'll be showing you a simple top-down analysis on GBPUSD and for you to know your bias, whether we're in an uptrend or downtrend, or whether to look for a buying opportunity or a selling opportunity. Before we proceed, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more amazing content, and also don't forget to share this video to your friends and family for them to learn something from this video. Without further ado, let's get started. All right, welcome back guys. So starting with GBPUSD on the monthly time frame, right? So the reason why we do top-down analysis is for us to have a clear overview of what the market is doing, right? So right now on the monthly time frame, we can confirm a downtrend. If I use this trend line, you can see that we are in a downtrend, right? In a downtrend, and particularly you can see lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is the next high. This is just an inducement. Remember I taught you, so this is the main high, and now we have a retracement, a retracement, right? Now what next? You know, this is a resistance, right? And this is a support. There's a support right here. So what are you expecting? We are expecting, since market is on a crucial support, we should be expecting a buy signal, right? And also introducing our smart money concept, which is liquidity. You can see that this particular low was taken out, right? There is a liquidity sweep. This is a liquidity sweep. That's actually a liquidity sweep. So it's a sell side liquidity, right? So we have a sell side liquidity that has been swept. So what are you expecting? We're expecting a buy opportunity or a change in momentum from sellers to buyers. So switching to the weekly time frame. Now weekly time frame, after a sell side liquidity, right, we should be expecting a market structure shift or a change of character. So let me delete this trend line, and we have this. So this is a liquidity sweep. We are expecting a market structure shift. I believe you understand, right? So now, since we know market is obviously going to this zone, so we want to join the buyers to take out this high right here. So switching to the daily time frame again, let's go back to the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame also, you can spot a breaker block right here. Now this is a failed order block right here. This is a failed order block, so it becomes a breaker block. Becomes a breaker block. As you see, our price broke it and retested it. Broke it right here, retested it, broke it, right? So right now from this zone, we are concentrating on this zone to take out this high. So switching to the daily time frame, you don't need to complicate things. It's also similar with the Euro USD analysis we did previously. So this is a market structure shift again from this zone, and this is a liquidity sweep or a break of structure and a change of character. So this is a liquidity sweep, price swap liquidity and shifted structure. Now because price is heading for a liquidity at the top, you can see that price sometimes will not come back to mitigate another block. There's a bullish order block right here, and we also have a sort of order block right here, or you can see price just went straight. So at this point, we are going to be using breaker blocks or mitigation blocks for an entry. Now right about this point, or we can also use a fair value gap. Right about this point, you see after price broke this zone, it came back. This is a breaker block also. Price failed to come back to this zone, but if you check at your left hand side, you also have some sort of resistance right here. Let me show you clearly. So I have some resistance levels right here, right? So price broke it and retested it again, right? So price broke and retested it. Now it's dishing out a massive buy. So switching to the 2 hours time frame. On the 2 hours time frame, we have a break of structure right here. This is an external break of structure. This is a break of structure, right? So since we know price is going to take out this high, you should be looking for only buy opportunities, right? If you are taking a sell, it is dangerous, though you might be right if you get a sell confirmation, but you might get a sell confirmation at the wrong time. Price can just give you a fake out. So personally, I'll just be looking for a buy opportunity. You can see multiple imbalances right here. Price can decide to use these imbalances. We have an imbalance right here, and we have a breaker block right here. Is this a breaker block? We have a break of structure to the downside. Sorry, we have a break of structure right here. Lower high, low. Price broke this low down, so we expected this one to be respected, but price simply broke it. So should have gone to retest it before going. But let's just see. You should be looking for buying opportunities. Price can decide to retest this zone, but before you can know if a zone is valid, it has to have some liquidity or inducement. So let's say for example price is coming to this fair value gap and it wants to use it will create inducement, as if it wants to react from this zone, then tap into it, then it can continue going for the next target, which is the liquidity on our daily time frame, right? I hope you guys understand. All right, welcome back guys. So as we said, I was expecting GBPUSD to come back to this zone, and it is back to this breaker block, which is the support zone. So we expect once we get a confirmation, we are going to buy GBPUSD, right? We're going to buy GBPUSD in this around this breaker block. Once we can get a candlestick confirmation or a lower time frame confirmation, right? So on the lower time frame, is either we get a bullish engulfing candle or we get a market structure shift, something like this. If price can create another high, then sweep the low and do something like this. I hope you guys understand. So that is the confirmation we are going to use. Or if you can get multiple weak rejections, because price has swept liquidity was resting right here, liquidity is here, liquidity is right here, liquidity is right here. I hope you guys understand. And price just broke it, and price still has the chances of coming to this zone. We also have another breaker block right here. And let's check our premium and discounts. Let's check our premium and discounts. Alright, so I told you guys that within these levels you should be looking for buying opportunities. So all we know is that GBP is going to buy, is going up, clear this liquidity. So we should be looking for buying opportunities around this one. So any confirmation we get, we're going to buy GBPUSD. I hope you guys understand. So let me check Euro USD. Now, this was the previous sell we cut in the last video, right? This was the last sell, and price actually used this fair value gap right there, though I didn't see it. So price used this zone to continue buying. So the main trend, like I said, price is also heading for a buy side liquidity. So it's also similar to GBPUSD. So once price gets to this zone also, you should be looking for a confirmation to buy Euro USD. Right, now let me check XAU USD. XAU USD. Currently XAU USD is bullish, right? XAU USD is bullish. If you check, they have been bullish for a long time right now. So this is the current trend now of the market. Price, after price broke this zone, after price broke it, left an imbalance plus a breaker block right here. So price came to mitigate it. Now anytime price mitigates a zone with this long wick is called a rejection block. So price tends to come back to it. Then once price come back to it, then we are going to find a market structure shift on the 15 minutes time frame or 30 minutes time frame. All right, so once price does something like this, if price can shift structure right here, come back, then you can buy XAU USD. This is a very valid setup. If you can get something like this, just buy XAU USD. So that will be all for this video. All right, so GBPUSD is currently tanking down. So if GBPUSD is able to close below this candle, it will be heading for this zone. But if it's unable to close above if it's unable to close above this breaker block, then it's going to use this zone. But if it closes below this breaker block, it will be heading for this next zone. So watch out guys, and make sure you don't miss this move on GBPUSD and Euro USD, then on XAU USD. Alright, I have come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more amazing content. And also guys, you can check my Telegram channel for you can check the description of my YouTube channel for you to use the recommended profile and recommended broker, and also join my Telegram channel for more updates and signals. Alright guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more amazing content. Goodbye.